Effects of SBS on human health, media coverage. According to the World Health Organization, exposure to air pollutants happens through inhalation of indoor air. Several studies confirm the relationship between indoor air quality and the occupant's health. Yet, its seriousness is mostly undetermined. A study commissioned by the Environmental Agency Abu Dhabi and conducted by the University of North Carolina reveals that indoor air pollution may have been responsible for more than 850 deaths in 2007 alone. SBS or sick building syndrome can be identified through a single or combination of factors. One of the most important of them being poor building design. Factors such as construction, operation and maintenance of related systems such as heating, ventilating and air conditioning systems that might not be working at the desired standards. Also, various indoor pollutants and factors that usually contribute to SBS could be VOCs, volatile organic compounds, can also be increased risk of cancers, etc. Carbon monoxide, CO, sulfur dioxide, SO2, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, which is produced from combustion of fuels, can also be fatal if inhaled in high concentrations. Causes of sick building syndrome: indoor air pollution, lead-based paints. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), lead-based paints are major sources of lead poisoning. Mercury is added to the paints mainly to prevent build-up of molds on walls, as it is an effective antifungal agent. However, it can also damage health in a number of ways, from impairing detoxification to causing serious neurological damages and birth defects. An article published in one of the known newspapers, Gulf News, published on July 1st, 2017, "Is your building making you sick?" You can refer to this article on the internet. So what is the solution for keeping the building healthy? Proper ventilation keeps the air fresh and indoors healthy. Like the lungs, homes need to be able to breathe to make sure that fresh air comes in and dirty air goes out. We call it as indoor air quality. Ventilation is needed to provide oxygen for metabolism and to dilute metabolic pollutants like carbon dioxide and odors, and hence a certain quantity of fresh air has to be injected in an air conditioning system, which has to be properly designed by the designer. So how do you decide the amount of fresh air that has to be provided to a building? Well, there are standards which are laid down, and these standards are called as the ASHRAE standards. ASHRAE standard 62.1 specifies the minimum ventilation rate intended to provide for a proper indoor air quality acceptable for human occupants. Your ASHRAE stands for American Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. So, what is the scope of ASHRAE? The scope of ASHRAE is, as they have defined, this standard defines requirements for ventilation and air cleaning system design, installation, commissioning, operation and maintenance. What is the meaning of acceptable indoor air quality? Air in which there are no known contaminants at harmful concentrations as determined by the cognizant authorities, and with which a substantial majority, 80% or more of the people exposed, do not express dissatisfaction. Air cleaning system, a device or combination of devices applied to reduce the concentration of airborne contaminants such as microorganisms, dusts, fumes, respiratable particles, other particulate matters like gases and or vapor in air. Now here we have provided a table just for indicative purpose. As an example, where it shows the type of building on the left hand side column, like it might be an office building, a residential building, a commercial, a hotel, whatever. And on the right hand side shows the air volume that has to be considered on per person basis and per square feet basis. For example, if you consider an office space of say 100 square feet, where about there is an occupancy of 10 people, then we would calculate the fresh air for this office space in the following manner. First of all, based on this table, we would consider 5 CFM, that is cubic feet per minute, per person into say 10 persons, which comes to around 50 CFM, and then 0.06 CFM per square feet into 100, that is the 100 square feet area of the office, which comes to around 6 CFM. Hence, the total fresh air required for this office might be 56 CFM. So this is the method of calculating the fresh air. This has just been shown as an indicative purpose, and the designers know it well how to exactly arrive at the final fresh air quantities.